Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to use the inverted TikTok filter effect. Open the TikTok app. Navigate to the Effects tab, just left of the Record button. Locate the Face Filters section. Tap the inverted filter icon, depicted by two horizontal arrows pointing in opposite directions. The 8th of January 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
The image that we see from the screen is actually not exactly the same as our true image because our faces are not symmetrical. An inverter filter counts against it and makes us be able to see our original or real face and image. The image you see on TikTok is said to be how everyone else sees you in real.
Take our lead.
There isn't really any super fancy technology going on with the filter. It literally just flips the image and shows the reflection of the footage rather than the footage itself. So, is that really what other people see when they look at you? Again, we're sorry to inform you that the answer is yes. 18 August 2020.
Take our lead.
There's not really an easy way to break it to you, but yes, the inverted filter on TikTok is indeed accurate. There isn't really any super fancy technology going on with the filter. It literally just flips the image and shows the reflection of the footage rather than the footage itself. 18 August 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.